Hello, I'm Mark Barbour. I'm the Executive Director and the founding curator of the International Printing Museum here in Carson, California, just outside of Los Angeles. If I had to summarize my institutional philosophy, it would be that the museum's collections need to be used to connect with diverse audiences, developing multiple communities of support, which in turn will give relevance and permanence to our museum. For us, this has translated into creating educational programs to engage a broad range of constituencies, both young and old. The Printing Museum launched its Book Arts Institute in 2021, a 4,000 square foot teaching lab for classes in letterpress, in bookbinding, typesetting, printmaking, papermaking, and marbling, helping us to develop the Printing Museum as a hub for the book artists and practical printers.
Here's the scoop. So you're gonna push it all the way to the back. I'm gonna let you do it in a second. You're gonna push it all the way to the back. We just did a class. It was called an experimental pressure printing class. And each student was given the opportunity to make a flexi plate, which is artwork that actually can roll around the cylinder. Oh, so something is moved a little bit. This plate right here, you guys see this? This plate started to shift. We added, these lines weren't thick enough, so we could add more to those.
We probably try to avoid stuff that's super fine detailed. I'd probably find stuff that has organic curves, and that provides a mask to keep the ink where the ink belongs.
You want enough ink, I don't know if this is quite enough, but you want enough that it's making a little bit of a sticky sound. Just a tiny bit, but not a lot.
It won't hit the whatever.
It won't hit the form evenly because part of it's dented in a little
right,
bit. Yeah.
okay.
And so you
So it adds a
will
little
notice.
more padding.
The collection is creatively used as a springboard for American and world history, great inventions and discoveries in science, civics, literacy, and art. Through our tours and outreaches, the museum annually works with nearly 20,000 students and the general public through its programs and working tours. We use the school's curriculum to wedge into the schools with their interest in, say, colonial history, or Ben Franklin or Gutenberg. And then we leverage those stories, such as Franklin's and his world and his life as a printer, to attract the interests of educators and take the backdoor approach to introduce students for the first time often to the world of printing and graphics. From our beginning, we have even used theater to accomplish this by having living history characters and actors portray characters such as Ben Franklin or Gutenberg or Mark Twain to engage our audiences. We have developed programs that help nearly 800 scouts annually earn merit badges in graphic arts, paper, and the book arts, creatively using our collections and resources to build and attract another audience. In 1997, I developed our Museum on Wheels, which now annually travels to about 150 schools throughout California and Arizona. Wrapped in graphics that depict the history of books and printing, our mobile trailer exhibit opens up to reveal Ben Franklin's colonial printing shop. This signature program brings the museum's resources directly to schools and locations that cannot physically access our facility. The museum's quarterly public events, such as our Crazy Crafts Day for kids of all ages, they engage audiences of all ages. Ben Franklin often regales audiences in our museum's Heritage Theater, depicting his life and the important role books and printing have played in his life. Watching young kids engage in the graphic arts for the first time, printing on a letterpress or making paper by hand with their eyes wide open enthusiasm is quite a thrill. Since 2008, the museum's Los Angeles Printers Fair has annually brought together over 80 artists and vendors and printers and paper makers and demonstrators to celebrate the creative world of printing, paper, and the book arts. Each year, nearly 1,500 guests travel to the museum and enjoy a weekend full of printing demonstrations, exhibits, and the book arts.